Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the crypto flight edition of the channel here. Your fellow passengers stopping in with you guys to give you another update on the crypto Chainlink and BTC pairing here. Looks like we're going to take a dive back into the charts here, guys. Hopefully we have videos popping up on the screen so that you can check out our previous video where we made a call that Chainlink has a potential of getting rescued here. Well, not necessarily rescued, but the buyers looks like they're stepping in at this level down here at about 72,000 Satoshis. So we're going to go over that in this video. So if you're invested or if you're thinking of investing in this cryptocurrency, be sure to stick around to the end. We have some interesting information, actually new details that I want to show to you guys that I haven't shown you before. So let's not waste time. Let's just dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is November the 17th, 2020. The current price in Satoshi value of Chainlink is going to be 74,109 Satoshis, okay? Down about 1.7% for the day. Remember, guys, Satoshis are pennies in the dollar, and the BTC is the actual dollar. That's how you can kind of understand what Satoshis are, okay? All right, so looks like, I know the chart looks a little bit different, guys. I got rid of the ascending lines, the broadening wedge pattern. It was something like this and like that. We got rid of those lines for now. Excuse me, and I just want to show you guys, there's something new that I've noticed in the chart here. I think everyone remembers, if you did watch the previous video, this red line here on the chart represented the line that the Chainlink and BTC pairing needed to get back above and stay above in order to reverse this trend that has been down ever since August 2020. Up here, just circled at about 160 sats, 160,000 sats, that is. So in order to somehow rescue this short-term downtrend, I'm going to call it, to continue up, the Chainlink and BTC pairing needed to get above 94,000 sats right there. So that has not happened just yet. Is it possible to happen? I'd say anything's possible with these volatile assets. We just have to wait and see. But I will be honest with you. One thing that I was anticipating to see, let's get rid of this red line here. And by the way, if you guys are just joining us, welcome. This rectangular box here, we've had this on the chart for weeks now, and I actually didn't realize the price would be, well, the Satoshi value would be stuck within these two lines. If you're just listening in, I have a rectangular box between 72,000 Satoshis all the way up to 91,000 Satoshis. Okay, we're just kind of trapped within there, consolidating for the next move, which appears to be down. It's not guaranteed it's going to go down, but the behavior in which it's behaving right now, it looks like it wants to go down. Let's just wait for the price action to determine this, guys. And previously on our videos, I was anticipating that if the Satoshi value was able to successfully break below the lower line of this box, which is currently at about 72,000 Satoshis, it's likely that the price or the Satoshi value would experience a 30% move to the downside, reaching this red line here at the top of the box of the owner's area of interest, okay? And that would just simply be a buying opportunity. At least that's how I would look at it, as a buying opportunity. Excuse me. And of course, maybe some people will probably get shaken out of the market. That's fine. I'll definitely be interested in scaling into a position depending on how the 3-day and possibly the weekly candlesticks are developing if the price gets that low. So that's something that we obviously don't know if that's going to happen or not. So let's just be patient, wait for the price action to speak, and we'll just take it from there in determining a market's direction. Let's crank it on up to the weekly here to see if we see anything. Go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you're enjoying or not enjoying the content. All right, so it looks like, all right, so this actually has bullish potential, guys, believe it or not. There's still 5 days to close on this weekly candle. This is the second time that the price has come into contact with the lower line here in this box. I think the buyers are still interested at this level. Again, the buyers just need to pick their stuff up and go ahead and push this price to the upside if they're going to do this. And they need to do it within a relative short period of time, and the level is still the same, 94,000 Satoshis. It must get above and stay above to turn around this short-term downtrend. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, But the one thing that I really understand candlesticks, and there's two candles on this chart that just, they're sticking out like a sore thumb, and they let me, it gives me kind of an idea whether or not this thing is going to break down, and it may actually break down because of this candle here that I just put a rectangular box around September the 21st, 2020. And this candle here as well, I do not like this candle. Like, those two they're bearish candles, guys. I don't like those candles when I see them in the chart. And the other candle is actually in July the 13th, 2020. It's basically ranges from 51,000 sats all the way up to 96,000 sats. Okay, so that's what I'm noticing. I mean, those two candles, it's kind of confirmation that the price will likely go lower. That doesn't mean it's not going to bounce here, because it looks like it's actually due for a bounce. But remember, I sound like a broken record at this point. 94,000 sats. It must get above that level, or it's going to go lower, guys. Okay, that's pretty simple for me to see. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Let's crank it up to the 1 month and close this thing out. Okay, so we have 13 more days to close on this monthly candle. And let's pull up the volume here to see if I can see anything. Okay, so yeah, guys, we're probably going to get below this purple infamous moving average here if we're not going to use it as support. For those of you just joining us, it's really simple. 7-day moving average. A lot of people don't even pay attention to it. Very important for me to have that on the chart for me to understand the market's direction. And it looks like, yeah, we got 13 more days, guys. So I expect a little bit more downward pressure. I'm going to say that 72,000 sats may get a revisit there. If it actually closes, believe it or not, this is actually probably going to sound unusual, but if the price closes within 13 days near 72,000 sats, that's, believe it or not, actually a very bullish sign. Excuse me. What it does is it actually sets up the chart here for a bullish counter move for this short-term bearish trend where the price topped out in August. Okay, so expect to see some real volatility in the markets here if the price closes near or just above 72,000 satoshis. We're just at the bottom of this rectangular box here. Okay, I can see that from a monthly. I don't really like the volume in the market, so we'll just have to wait and let this thing play out, guys. So again, worst case scenario, we get a 30% move to the downside, reaching 51,000 satoshis here at this top of that red line there, right above the owner's area of interest. I don't think, okay, just it's not guaranteed, but I don't think that the Satoshi value will be able to get below the 51,000 Satoshi level. Whether it actually will happen or not, that's obviously up to the markets to decide. But my personal opinion, which at times means nothing, don't think that the Satoshi value will be able to compromise the owner's area of interest in this squiggly area that I'm illustrating here on the chart. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. We're looking for a 30% move to the downside. If it doesn't move to the downside 30%, we got to move up 90 to 94,000 sats, and that's going to be approximately 27% from the current level. So that's basically what we're looking at, guys. 30% move down or 26% move up that must hold and continue higher, or the price will just simply collapse back down. That's all I got for you guys. Be sure to leave an appropriate comment just below the video there. Let me know what you think is going to happen with this Chainlink BTC. I'm not going to get this right all the time, guys. Just do my best understanding these charts. And leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there as well. It's Napoleon Macro, guys. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to tune in to our next Chainlink update. We'll keep you guys updated as much as we can on the price action. And that's all for now, guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. We'll talk very soon. Good day.